Mahsa, you were a prosecutor in New York City, so you've been in the thick of this when it comes to these types of cases. What stands out to you now that we know the actual charges?
Well, good to be here with both of you. So we did just obtain a copy of the indictment just a couple minutes ago, so I have not had a chance to look at this. But we know, as you said, the president has been charged with 34 felonies. Now in New York, filing a false business record, which is what he is charged with, is typically a misdemeanor, but that becomes elevated to a felony if you do that, file that false business record in commission of another crime. We'll get to that other crime in a second, but so much of what happened today has been happening behind closed doors, but we caught a few glimpses of the president. So I want to show you the few moments that we were able to see the president. This is him walking out of Trump Tower, taking a picture for the crowd, and this is him entering Lower Manhattan criminal court to be processed. He was silent for much of this, all of this. He declined to answer any questions or speak with reporters, and here he is entering the courtroom for his arraignment around 2:30 this afternoon. Again, as you both said, he pled not guilty to 34 counts of falsifying a business records. Prosecutors allege hush money payments were made to two women during the 2016 election to hide alleged affairs that the president says did not happen. He has denied this. Now, typically, these types of payments are fairly common, right? We've heard about them before, but here is the problem. Payments made in connection to an election must be disclosed. That's federal law. That's also New York state law. So prosecutors are alleging that Trump directed these payments be made via Michael Cohen and another third party, that this was not done for personal reasons. He was trying to save his marriage. He wanted to be embarrassed. He didn't want to be embarrassed, rather. They're alleging the payments were made to win an election. They are saying, Prosecutor Alvin Bragg, alleging that these payments constitute a campaign contribution. They were not disclosed, and they say that is violating the law. Now, we want to be very clear here. Former President Trump maintains his innocence. His attorneys, you heard them, there was a press conference that just happened. They were defiant. They say the evidence in this case is insufficient, and they say no one would be charged in this case, that he is being charged only because his name is Donald Trump, and they say today the rule of law died in this country. So a very emotional day for so many people, whether you support the president or not.
Yeah.